How to add auto dubbing to your personal YouTube channel. Navigate to your account settings, then carefully select the general settings option, then more advanced settings. Proceed to scroll down until you locate the specific automatic dubbing section. Here, you'll need to click the apply button. Next, you choose whether to review the auto dubbing manually or trust the system. But most likely, since there will be a lot of languages, there's no point in enabling each language manually every time. Just check this box, click save, and then you'll have automatic dubbing enabled on your channel. Next, let's go on. Here I have a test video. Now we have a dedicated languages section. Here, you now have the convenient option to easily add multiple languages to your profile or content settings. Select the language you mean. First, you will need to add the title, then you will also need to add the description, and after that, you can simply click the button, Update. Keep in mind, the audio doesn't appear right away. YouTube needs some time to add the audio track to your video in the selected language. After a while, the audio will show up. Check back in a few hours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the profile header, you'll find our apps and other videos about YouTube and mobile applications.